Juan. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa time na nakasama niyo kami. So, me and Mami Sharin are business partners in this business, no. But more than that, parang ang special nung May ngayon basically, guys, kasi Mother's Day nga pala. So kanina ko lang siya naalala, and don't you know that Sharin, sipping her yerba mate, is nasa US po currently. Yes, US siya. So it's 6 a.m., 'di ba? Good morning na good morning sa kanya. Tapos sa atin naman pa good night. But more than that, super salamat guys sa pag-choose nyo sa sarili nyo by making time and doing this with us. And without further ado, eto na nga siya. So why are we so passionate about this program or this protocol or anything that we would really like to share, no, sa atin dito ngayon. So basically, marami na kasing nangyari in a span of 10 years, no, na sa food natin, sa environment natin, yung init iba na, 'di ba? And basically, yung health natin yung isa sa pinaka-importante. Marami tayong kakilala na ganito yung nagiging experience, no, na merong low energy, weight gain, na kahit na nag-mall ka lang, nag-grocery ka, namalengke ka, talagang ito na yung nakikita mo, and declining health. When we say declining health, isa pa sa factor dyan would be pabata ng pabata yung mga nagkakasakit, and hindi na talaga siya basta-basta na lang naiiwasan. No? And then, at 40s, ito yung mga kailangan marinig na rin ng mga 25 and 30s. Mostly, di ba? 40s, ano ang nangyayari? Nagkakaroon na ng fatigue, cravings, parang hindi mo nakilala yung sarili mo kasi yung brain fog, kakaiba na siya yung parang kakalagay mo lang dyan or kakasabi mo lang nakalimutan mo na kaagad. Sudden weight gain, matinding hair fall, irritable ka kahit sa mga maliliit na bagay, and syempre yung menopause symptoms like hot flashes, and some, kakasabi ko nga na, parang hindi mo nakilala yung sarili mo, bakit iba naman ako nung 30s ako. So malalaman din natin yan mamaya. And kahit na nga marami tayong mga coaching programs or meron ka ng app talaga tinitimbang mo na pagkain mo and lahat-lahat to get fit, anong nangyayari? Hindi pa rin siya sumasapat, no? Because, ito na nga mga question dyan. Bakit ba ito nangyayari? Bakit ngayon lang din ito nangyari? And hindi lang din ako or ikaw. Maaaring kaibigan mo, kapatid mo, any family member are experiencing the same thing or more pa nga. Why does my body feel this way? Sa age ko ba to? O sadyang sa weather na lang to? And of course, posible ba na naturally mag-heal yung body natin even as we age? And syempre, in preparation for our 50s or kahit na, example, ngayon 30 ka, and you are experiencing some symptoms and signs sa ganyan, nahihirapan ka or lagi kang fatigue sa work, syempre isipin mo, anong mangyayari sa'yo when you turn 50s and 60s, di ba? And syempre, what should be included in the food that we should eat to get more nutrition in it. Lalo na ngayon, napaka-fast pacing. Fast foods are everywhere, left and right. So, these questions will or might be answered here. Again, I have created this safe space, no, so we can really talk about it. And also for us to share what has worked for us. And also to see kung baka, di ba, kailangan ng kapatid mo, ng kamag-anak, or ng asawa, na ba maaaring makatulong din to, katulad ng natulong din ito sa amin. And we will break down why we are feeling like this, and the pattern of how we can achieve a healthy body and help our body heal from the inside out. Now, sige, tignan natin, guys. Baka may kakilala ka or ikaw, nakaka-experience ng ganito. Tignan nyo maigi yung bawat isa: acne, belly fat, tired after meals, high blood sugar. So kung ito total natin ito, nakabingo na ba tayo? Okay? So sino dito yung may naiisip na baka may fatty liver ka na, or grabe na talaga yung pimples mo as you age, nung high school ka naman hindi ka na mga pimples, bakit ngayon lumaki ka? 'Di ba? Or ito na nga, ito may mga common signs na talagang kitang-kita natin kahit na wala pa tayo naging blood test. Yung tiyan natin, as in, mas malaki na siya, or 33, 34, 35 above yung waistline natin. And of course, skin tags. Na kahit na pinaalis mo na sa derma, hindi siya nawawala. Low thyroid, yung migraine na matindi, and hair loss. Okay, so type nyo dyan kung nakailan kayo in these signs of insulin resistance. Type nyo, nakatatlo ba kayo? 5? Diba? Lalo na yung mga nag-lab test na, ayan na talaga siya. So, yan ang tawag dyan, guys, is insulin resistance. Insulin resistance, ayun yung panimula pa lang before pa lumala yung nararamdaman natin. So, let's discuss it more. So, nangyayari dito sa insulin resistance, 8. Si Mami Sharon, 8 kaagad sa kanya, di ba? Imagine. Ang nangyayari sa insulin resistance, before talaga siya ma-diagnose or may mangyari na sa'yo na sobrang halata na, ito yung nangyayari sa atin. As time goes by, nag-iba na yung pagkain natin and we get to eat high-carb diet. And insulin is released from pancreas, nagiging susi siya para i-share natin yung glucose or yung energy galing dun sa pagkain natin, no? However, dahil nga super high carb ng diet natin, top up yon, yung cells natin nagiging resistant na siya or namanhid na siya sa pagproseso nun kasi puno na sa cells, hindi na malagay sa liver, hindi na malagay sa ganito, hindi siya totally nagagamit. And instead of burning it, ang nangyayari nagiging storing mode na siya or storage mode dahil sa every 2 to 3 hours kakain tayo ng ganito, ng ganito, ng ganyan. And then until such time na na-wreck na yung hormones natin, every time we see food, uy, salad, yan na naman. Uy, tinapay, ayan na naman. And then typical sa Pinoy na ang merienda natin would be tinapay and kape na matamis. 'Di ba? So, ang ending nun, tired tayo, hungry tayo, until such time na lumabas na yung sakit natin. Paikot-ikot na cycle siya. Now, ang nangyayari sa ating mga pharma or when we get to have our check-up, di ba? Pag may simptomas ka, bibigay sila sa'yo ng, okay, gamot, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi masakit talaga yung ulo mo. Masakit talaga yung ulo mo, ito yung kailangan mo. Ang sakit ng likod mo, ito talaga yon. Dok, ang taas na ng cholesterol ko, ito bibigay sa'yo. Kaagad-agad. Yun siya. Diretso sila sa sintomas, tapos gamot. But, hindi nga tayo natatanong kung anong naging history, ano bang nakain mo for the past 10 years. Wala nang ganun-ganon. And, nagiging problema na talaga siya ng Pilipino. And, hindi lang yan, crisis na talaga siya. Nearly half of the Filipinos or 40% are overweight or obese. Kasama na ako dyan 2 years ago. And halos karamihan ng kababaihan ay nagkakaroon na ng malaking belly fat that is really, really not good for our heart health. And not just that, yung mga elders natin, parang nauso na sa kanila na pagpatak mo ng 60 ay high cholesterol na kaagad or medication na kaagad. Parang padamihan tayo ng supplement or mga maintenance, no? And again, even with thousands na coaching program, sometimes you feel parang ang bagal bumaba ng scale or yung muscle ko hindi nagbi-build ng maayos or bakit gutom pa rin ako lagi and I still have low energy. 'Di ba? And as time goes by, we get to be sicker and sicker and sicker without us knowing ano ba talaga yung nagiging root cause nito, bakit pa ulit-ulit o bakit hindi na ako makawala sa cycle na to. So, let me give the floor to Mami Sharon. So again, Mami Sharon is based in the US. And alam nyo ba, dahil nga Mother's Day ngayon, hindi talaga natin matatawaran ng effort ng mga nanay. Working pa din siya remotely sa kanilang family business. And meron silang third-party agency. Pero hindi lang yan. Meron pa siyang Unicity business. And not just that, ang daming plus ng nanay. As you can see, may 2 siyang kids and hin-homeschool niya pa yon. Kung may anak ka, basically super makaka-relate ka dito. Kasi talagang nakakawala siya ng ating focus talaga bilang nanay, bilang sa sarili natin, kung paano natin aalagaan ang sarili natin. So I will give the floor to Mami Sharon and she will also have her slides with her. Take it away, Mami Sharon.
Okay, I will start sharing my screen. So, good morning sa ating nandito sa North America and good evening sa inyo dyan na nasa Pilipinas. So, like what Abby said, so ito, kung sa nakikita nyo yan, this is the screenshot basically of my metabolic health journey. So, tulad ng sinabi ni Mami Abby kanina, yung mga 40s, 'di ba? Nilista niya na yung mga simptomas ng mga nasa 40s. Ako po 'yun, lahat ng sinabi niya, ako po 'yun. So, pero before I hit 40s, I used to be a gym bunny. Okay? So, lagi ako nasa gym. So, para sa akin at that time, madali lang magka-abs, 'di ba? Eh wala akong ginagawa, nasa gym lang ako, wala akong anak. So, like the typical person, 'di ba? Yo-yo weight ako noon. So, tataas ang timbang, diet. And then, pag bumagsak, kain. So, ganun lagi. So, as you can tell, yung pagkain ko, it wasn't really healthy. So, ang philosophy ko at that point was, I would just work out so I can eat. But, after having two kids, and then hitting menopause. Opo, menopause na po ako. So, what happens when you have menopause? You have the hot flashes, irritability. Umabot na sa point na lagi kami nag-aaway ng asawa ko. And then, as you can tell, ito pong picture ko, yan na po yung at the height of my metabolic dysfunction. Ito na nga lang yung nag-survive kasi syempre para sa atin na laging conscious sa itsura, sasabihin mo, ay i-delete mo yan. 'Di ba? So it came to the point, especially for this picture, nakaka-depress tignan yung sarili ko. So, this was actually the outward appearance of what was happening on the inside. So my lab tests showed that I was pre-diabetic. I was borderline hypertensive and then I was rushed to the hospital kasi nga meron akong sciatica. And then for us, di ba, maririnig natin that this is the typical solution. Sasabihin sa atin, eat a balanced diet. Good, right? That's what we know. But it's easier said than done. Kung kaya naman natin talaga kumain ng healthy, eh wala tayong problema, wala tayong pag-uusapan tonight or today. However, hindi natin kaya. I have a willpower problem. So, yung mga na uuso ngayon, 'di ba, yung mga injectables, Ozempic, Mounjaro, ayoko niyan kasi makikita natin ang daming side effects. And for what Abby mentioned a while ago, the symptoms, mina-manage lang naman yan ang ating simptomas. Kaya nga ang pangalan, maintenance medication. It just doesn't really reverse it. And for me, these are just band-aid solutions. Until this system was introduced to me. So, the symptoms, it naturally went away at makikita nyo naman the belly fat. And until now, I can honestly say na kahit nandito sa North America, ang lalaki ng portion, eh, na-maintain. Yun naman ang crucial dun eh. We don't do the up and down yung mga, yung yo-yo weight. Wala nang ganon. So, that's why we have this feel great system. This is what we're so excited to share to you about. So, it's it's food based and it's backed by decades of science. That's why we're so proud to share this and very confident kasi nga it's proven in more than 20 clinical studies out. And later on, we will share with you what the Cleveland Clinic said about this. And ano bang significance ni Cleveland Clinic? We'll share with you later. But like what we said, we're so excited to share this because it's all natural. It's safe. Therefore, wala siyang known side effects. I've been taking this for over 2 years already, and I'm still fine. I'm performing better than ever. And importantly, a while ago, Abby said, di ba, pagpunta ka sa doctors mo, ang ibibigay sa'yo treatment, quote-unquote treatment, addresses symptoms. So, para sa dito mga may kilala na umiinom na maintenance medication or kayo mismo dati na umiinom or currently may iniinom kayo, ilan ang tinitake ninyo? 'Di ba? Binibigyan kayo ng gamot for every symptom. But this system addresses the root cause. So when we address the root cause, guess what? The symptoms will naturally go away. Like for me, yung mga skin tags, belly fat, yan. What it does, it helps you have a steady insulin response, right? Pag steady yan, nawawala yung cravings at sustained ang energy mo. And you will be in fat burning mode. So ganito yan. How does it work? Basically, a while ago, Abby mentioned how insulin resistance happens. This is how it happens. First thing in the morning, especially tayo mga Pinoy, ang kinakain natin high carb meal. Ang saya, 'di ba? It's rice, pandesal, kape na merong cream or sugar, 'di ba? So what happens with our bodies? Our glucose shoots up. And what happens? Our body's response to that is insulin will be released. Dahil nga yan ang pampababa ng glucose. When insulin is released, biglang bagsak si glucose. Now we're in this portion where we will feel cravings, irritability minsan kasi naghahanap na ng katawan mo ng pagkain. Sinasabi niya, uy, yung energy na nakuha ko kanina, bigay mo sa akin ulit yon. So then, kakain ka ulit. Wala pang lunch, ubos na yung baon mo sa office. So, mag-shoot up na naman si glucose. So, bago pa bumaba si insulin, magre-release na naman si katawan natin ng insulin. So, mapapansin nyo, laging mataas si insulin. And that leads to fat storage. Pag mataas si insulin, kahit sabihin mo nag-workout ka, counting calories, calorie deficit, no, you will be in fat storage mode. It's impossible to tap into the fat cells para i-burn, no. And then, lagi kang kain ng kain kasi you have that cravings and energy crashes. So you're now miserable. But our system, make sure that your insulin is steady, your energy is steady, so wala nang cravings, right? And you're in fat burning mode. Yan ang gusto naman natin, di ba? Na makapag-picture tayo at hindi na natin buburahin, right? So, when you're in fat burning mode, ibig sabihin yan, you have fewer cravings, steady energy all day long. We need that. Especially, a while ago, Abby mentioned Mother's Day na, so kailangan natin ng energy para habulin ang mga anak natin, di ba? So, let's talk about the product. So, the first product is, this is what I'm drinking first thing in the morning. It's 6 a.m. here. So, it is called Unimate. So, you can take this hot or cold. Guess what? I take it both. Hot and cold. So what I do is I mix it in my big water container. Ayan, yan ang tubig ko in the morning. Ang masarap dito, it comes in two flavors, lemon and lemon ginger. So masarap siya. And then I also prepare a hot mug of water. Halo ko yung aking Unimate, lalagay ko dito with hot water. So masarap. Ang kagandahan nito, it's naturally flavored, walang added sugar. Natural caffeine. So I don't reach for my coffee first thing in the morning. This is what I take. It's ultra concentrated yerba mate. Okay, so for those who know people in North America, meron naman talagang ibang yerba mate products out there. But guess what? We have the best tasting yerba mate. It has the most concentration of chlorogenic acid. The chlorogenic acid is the one that makes us more insulin sensitive. So this is my daughter, she's TB. And dahil nga maraming yerba mate out there, why can we be confident that ours is the best? Because other yerba mate either is bitter or ang daming asukal. So, for our Middle East friends, it's kosher and halal. And it's FDA approved. So, ang nangyayari pag ininom natin ito, it gives us calm from, wala na siyang food noise. So, kaya hindi tayo kailangan mag-breakfast agad. If for us to address insulin resistance, we have to give our insulin a break. So, para mangyari yan, we have to skip breakfast muna. Di ba typically pag hindi tayo nakakakain, init ulo, gutom, this addresses that. So, it gives the food noise, calmness, na shut off ang food noise and gives us clear, focused mind. At dahil it gives us the boost of energy, it we don't have to reach for the coffee. So walang jitters to, steady energy tayo. And let's talk about GLP-1. Nauuso na yan everywhere we go. We have the GLP-1 agonists, lalo na dito sa North America. In fact, meron na ngang nilabas ngayon, GLP-1 na tablet form. So, why are we talking about GLP-1? Because Unimate increases our GLP-1 naturally. What happens when GLP-1 is increased? We have a GLP-1 that we naturally produce in our bodies. Pag tumaas ang GLP-1, dyan na tayo nakakaramdam na, uy, busog ako. Ang kagandahan, Unimate increases our GLP-1 by 60%. So, kaya hindi tayo kailangan mag-breakfast, di tayo magugutom. We have our GLP-1 natural in a cup or in your water container. Yan. So, hindi tayo nagugutom. So, like what I said, GLP-1 is produced in our gut. So, kaya it also, Unimate, increases ketones. Ano nangyari? Pag tumaas ang ketones at GLP-1, we can tap into our fat storage. Yan, di ba kanina kahit nagka-calorie counting, hindi tayo pumapayat. Now, Unimate addresses that. Kaya yung mga tao nagsisipayatan. So, however, let's talk about the other GLP-1s, yung mga injectables, patches, and tablet forms now. It mimics the GLP-1 in our body. However, unsafe siya. Kung ang safe zone ng GLP-1 should be 1 to 10 only, yung mga injectables na yan, it brings it to 11 to 12. So that's why there's so many side effects. Like we have the Ozempic face. Diba? Kesa mukha kang fresh, biglang nagsasag. In fact, there was a singer. She's very, very, very young. She's in her 20s, but she has osteoporosis. And then we have the stomach paralysis. In fact, that's why Ozempic has a lot of lawsuits kasi nga ang daming mga, let's pause. Irreversible. Okay, let me say that again. Irreversible side effects nito. So, we don't want that for you. I don't want that for myself. So that's why we use the food first approach. Pagkain lang siya. So it supports your body. It doesn't work against your body. However, hindi tayo nagpo-promote ng mga sudden diet, yung mga hindi natin masustain. That's why kakain pa rin tayo. So that's why Unimate is paired with something that will support you when you eat. So ano tong ka-pairing ni Unimate? So this is called Bios Life S. So paano natin siya tinitake? So, i-break mo na yung fast mo, di ba? Kakain tayo. Ang gagawin natin, i-shake natin siya for about this much of water. Shake natin si Bios Life S. And then drink it. Masarap siya because it tastes like orange. Right? Especially if you drink it with cold water. And then you can eat normally. That's it. Inumin mo siya, then kakain ka, tapos na. Yun na yun. You incorporate it easy in your life. So, Bios Life is naturally flavored, it's gluten-free, and vegan-friendly, kosher, and halal again. And of course, FDA approved. So, what is Bios Life S? It's a fiber matrix. Right? Ano siya? Ano ba siya? Ano bang gamit niya? Di ba pagkakain tayo, lalo na on an empty stomach, then kakain tayo ng carb, biglang mag-shoot up ang ating glucose. Like what we said a while ago, pag nag-shoot up si glucose, what happens? Then biglang crash. Then kakain tayo. So we want to prevent that. So, think of Bios Life as a weighted blanket. Diba? Pampabigat siya. Pag kinumutan ni Bios Life ang inyong pagkain, yung ating glucose hindi ganun kataas. In fact, it lowers the glucose response by 43%. In fact, itong chart na to, tinest nila with two groups of people. Yung mga tao, parehong two groups of people, they fed them the normal American breakfast. Ano ang normal American breakfast? Pancakes, waffles, so matatamis, very, very sweet. But for those people who drank the balance before, ganyan lang ang glucose response nila. Parang pluk, ganun lang. As opposed to without the balance or the BIOS, ganito kataas. So, fewer cravings, no more bloatedness. So, steady ang ating energy. And ang kagandahan nito, dahil nga, like a while ago, I said it, para siyang weighted blanket. So, it supports healthy cholesterol, triglycerides, and cardiovascular function. So, perfect solution siya, especially with today's modern food environment because 90% of our food is stripped off of fiber. Pag walang fiber ang ating pagkain, bigla kang mag-shoot up. Again, we're talking about glucose all the time because that's why we are always hungry. We're always craving. So, we just add fiber with our food. But is it just fiber? No, it's 7 food-based fiber. Ang dami, di ba? Yung ibang fiber dyan, isa lang. Right? Yung iba nga dyan, sinasabi, kiniklaim nila fiber sila, but it's not really fiber. So, we don't need to diet. We don't need to do the meal planning. Di na tayo nag-account ng calories. Paparusahan ang ating katawan by going to the gym kasi nagigilty tayo sa kinain natin. So now, we're very confident because these products are backed by real science. Let's talk about the science. Like a while ago, I said, yung Cleveland Clinic na mention tayo. Cleveland Clinic, ang significance niya, it's the #1 heart hospital, not just in North America, but in the entire world. So, ang sabi ni Cleveland Clinic is, if you take these products regularly, especially itong BIOS Life S na to, it could reduce cardiovascular risk and decrease the need for lipid-lowering prescription drugs. Ibig sabihin, yung mga maintenance medication na tinitake ninyo or tinitake ng mga loved ones ninyo, potentially, pwede na kayo mag-goodbye dyan. So, ibig sabihin, yung gastos natin sa pag-take ng mga maintenance medication, nababawasan. And we're also extending our lives and the lives of our loved ones and our friends. So, if you go to your doctor and say, hey, doctor, can you prescribe this for me? They can. Because guess what? It's listed in the prescriber's digital reference. What does it mean? Ibig sabihin, yan yung libro ng mga doktor natin. Bubuksan nila, ano yung mga pwede kong i-prescribe? Our products are listed there. In fact, these are the only 2 products listed in the PDR that directly addresses insulin resistance, while the rest, it only addresses the symptoms. Kaya hindi nakaka-reverse ng insulin resistance yung iba. Us, it addresses the root cause. So therefore, yung symptoms sumasama, nawawala. And because it's not just another supplement. Hindi to yung parang one of the common things. No, it's proven, credible, and recognized at the highest level of healthcare. We know we're special. We know what we're offering is not like any other. So, ang kagandahan nito, it's only 315 pesos a day. As opposed to magkano ang Starbucks, magkano ang milk tea, magkano yung pa-deliver ka ng pa-deliver kasi lagi kang may cravings. So in fact, nababawasan ng inyong ang expenses kasi nga kakaunti lang din ang kakainin mo. And 315 pesos lang ito. Kaysa bumisita ka sa ospital, sa doktor mo, at kung ano-ano pang gastos. So like what we said, it unnecessarily cuts the calories and the expenses dahil snacks ka ng snacks. So, eventually, pag ineto mo, kasi meron kami mga naririnig na sinasabi, ang mahal naman yan, but think about it. Really, compute. How much are you spending? But this one, it actually leads to savings. Not just savings in the money, but it saves lives. We have people, so many people coming to us. Thank you. Thank you for introducing this to me. At first, I was unsure. I was scared, but no. We only hear thank you. So, takot pa rin. No, guess what? It comes with a 90-day money back guarantee. What happens? Okay, after 90 days, di kayo masaya. After 90 days, your lab test shows that there is no difference, which by the way, I highly disagree na walang mangyayari sa inyo lab-wise kasi nga, we're confident that if you take this, as you should take it, yung talagang prescribed, there will be changes. You will notice your energy. You will notice something about you, the glow, the health advantages. Pero let's say after 90 days wala talaga, guess what? There's no risk. You will get back your money. So I'll turn the floor back to Abby kasi she will be discussing more.
Thank you, Mommy Sharon. So I will put my screen again. Let's go back. All right. So here we go. Kita nyo ba, guys? Let me make it bigger. All right. So it's not just that, no? Hindi lang si Sharon yung nabago yung buhay, hindi lang din ako. Baka akala nyo dalawa lang kami dito. Thousands of lives. And as you can see, there are different nationalities that had been using the same protocol and nakita talaga rin nila yung change sa life nila. And ito, one of the best example would be a blood result na hindi talaga magsisinungaling. But as you can see, di ba? As you can see, this is Nicole, model siya. Yes, pretty siya, check. Mahilig siya mag-gym 3 to 4 times a week, pinaka-check. Nag-healthy food, check na check. But guys, hindi talaga niya sinabi. Din talaga, alam niyo yung pag may mga struggle talaga tayo sa health, hindi natin masyado yung sinishare. 2022 pa lang, nagsa-struggle na siya with her cholesterol. And syempre, it's taking a toll in her health. 'Di ba? Kasi nga tumataas siya. And pinagme-maintenance na talaga siya. Now, she tried the protocol and after 3 weeks, saktong kanyang general check-up. And look how the numbers move. Again, remember, meron tayong 90-day money back guarantee. So, isa lang si Nicole sa part na to na nakikita natin na, uy, slim siya. Pero ang taas pala ng inflammation sa loob ng katawan niya. Nag-workout siya, okay. Pero like, hindi naman halata sa kanya na ito na yung nangyayari sa loob ng katawan niya. And not just that, sa may mga diabetes. Ito guys, pre-diabetes si Joy and as you can see, June 2024, ilan? Ang kanyang blood result, 6.10. Pre-diabetic sa HbA1c. That's the average of 3 months. She tried the protocol and October 15, 2024, look at the result. Normal. Magic ba yon? Hindi. Kasi inad niya yung protocol that really is guaranteed and is really helping heal the body from the inside out. Ito talaga yung isa sa pinaka. And she is with us tonight. Sino ito na nasa gilid? Imagine, parang ano siya, parang baka kamag-anak niya lang to, baka naman malikmata lang tayo, but basically, siya talaga to. And, may naningit na bata. Darling, sandali lang. And her story is really life-changing, not just for us, but lalong-lalo na sa kanya. Again, parang naging highlight nga nitong session na to is like Mother's Day. And iba talaga yung kwento when we can hear it from herself alone. Mami Shaira, take it away
Hello.
and tell us your story.
Hello, good evening everyone. So share ko lang yung FGS journey ko. Like kanina, nag-usap na kami ni Miss Shireen how I started. So I've been in the system for 14 months now. So kung makikita nyo, yes, ako nga, ako nga yan. So minsan hindi rin ako makapaniwala, no? Kasi that's 93 kilos version ng sarili ko. So, to be honest, gano'n din ako sa mga nabanggit nila kanina. I wasn't always that hopeful. Kumbaga, hindi na ako na para pumayat. Alam mo 'yun, hindi na 'yun yung ano ko, thinking ko, eh, kasi nga I have lupus. So, hesitant talaga ako, takot ako magsimula, feeling ko walang kasiguraduhan lahat, gano'n. So, nandun ako sa stage na gano'n nung nakita ko 'tong FGS na pino-post ni Blanche. So, alam niyo yung parang 'di pa ako nagsisimula, parang pagod na akong lumaban, gano'n. So, hindi ko alam na darating yung point na parang mararanasan ko pa pala yung healing na akala ko pangarap lang. Yung parang lagi lang siyang dasal kasi nga parang imposible na, eh. Kasi parang nandun ako sa point ng life ko na parang feeling ko hindi na lang ako magigising. Alam mo yun, yung gano'n. Kasi parang sobra na yung taba ko, sobrang taas na yung cholesterol ko. And when I say sobrang taas, hindi ako kagaya ng parang point lang or 1 lang yung tinaas, na parang ang normal level ng cholesterol is parang 4, nasa 14 yung akin. So, sobrang taas talaga tapos naka-atorvastatin na ako that time and Ator 80 yon. So, natatandaan ko talaga lahat ng meds. So, yung healing na sinasabi ko is not instant. Hindi rin siya yung parang magic na 1 to 3 months na dahil nga may money back guarantee tayo, inaasahan ko na magche-change siya ng gano'n. So, parang slowly, parang nagkaroon ako ng motivation to try. And it's real. Parang after, 3 months na nag-take ako ng FGS, like talagang consistent, nakita na ng doctor ko na merong progress dun sa pagbaba ng cholesterol, which is hindi kaya ng mga tatin meds na gawin yon. So, unti-unti my body started to respond. So, parang ayan nabibigyan na ako ng pag-asa, nag-join na ako na distributor, shine-share ko na rin siya online, ganyan. So, parang bumalik ako dun sa sarili ko from 93 kilos, now na 14 months, 63 kilos na lang ako. So, walang ano yan, walang edit, walang filter yung picture ko na yan. So, parang ano lang, from 13 tablets of medicine to just 3 supplements now. So, hindi lang katawan ko talaga yung nagbago, yung buong buhay talaga. So, alam mo yun, parang kung yung mas maganda lang dito is hindi lang siya para sa mga tao na kagaya kong may sakit na. Parang para sa lahat talaga siya kasi metabolic healing. Sabi ko nga kay Miss Shari nung una hesitant ako to try kasi parang weight loss lang yung nakikita kong mga results. Kumbaga wala naman siyang iba na about sa sugar, about sa cholesterol. Kasi parang January ko na narinig yung about doon, eh. Kaya nga parang nag-start ako by Feb. Kasi nga, parang naisip ko lang, sabi ko sa doktor ko, try ko po kaya to kasi nakakababa daw ng cholesterol. So, 'yun, dun ako nag-start and 'yan, unti-unti I listen to my body. Kumbaga wala akong ano, biglaang changes, hindi ako nag-change ng pagkain. So, sabi ko nga, eh, pagka nagkukuwento ako to others or 'pag nagse-share ako ng journey ko, sinasabi ko sa kanila kaya ko pa rin kumain ng pang-dalawang tao and hindi ko siya nire-restrict. Hindi siya OA ha, kasi yung steroids, nagte-take ako ng steroids, eh, and yung steroids talagang nakakagutom, nakakagana kumain, and nakakataba siya. So, alam mo yun, parang kumbaga hindi ko siya binago. Kasi nga ayoko yung parang magda-diet lang ako tapos magba-bounce back lang after kasi babalik lang din ako sa eating habits na gano'n. So, para ma-suggest ko lang din to everybody na don't wait until it's too late. Parang kanina, meron akong friend na parang before pa is ino-offeran ko na siya na parang, "Try mo na kasi kaysa lumala yung situation mo," gano'n. Tapos nag-story siya kanina na parang eto na, nagka-diabetes na siya, nagka-thyroid problem na siya, tapos parang running pa siya ng test for cervical cancer, gano'n. Ta's parang sabi ko, "Sana kasi nag-try ka na ng FGS baka hindi siya lumala." Kumbaga parang ang hirap kasi talaga, alam mo yun, parang ang hirap unahin yung sarili. Parang as a mom, tama sila Miss Abby, sila Miss Shireen. 'Pag mom ka kasi 'di ba, nase-set aside mo yung sarili mo. So, ano parang siyempre unahin mo yung anak mo, unahin mo yung ibang needs, tapos yun nga sinasabi nila na parang mahal 'to. Siyempre ako sa medicine ko din, yung 13 tablets na yun, 18,000 monthly yung ginagastos ko para dun. Tapos i-a-add up ko 'to sa system ko. Pero ano nga, yun nga, sobrang amazing ni FGS na after 10 months of taking the product, talagang inalis na yung mga medicine ko. So, parang yung healing comes with at when you least expect it, yung hindi mo talaga inaasahan, hindi mo na pinagpe-pray, parang it takes the right support and sa tamang panahon. Yan lang.
Grabe, parang wala akong masabi kasi yung lupus guys is hindi na siya biro ngayon. It's really a chronic illness na pag, 'di ba imagine, Mami Aya, pag sinabihan ka nun, parang inflamed na kasi talaga ang buong katawan mo. Yung parang
Parang cancer
yung
na siya
usual,
eh.
yung usual na naririnig talaga, like kahit sa social media and sa mga balita, parang kaaway niya na rin yung katawan mo. 'Di
Yes,
ba? Yung
talagang
so
kalaban
hindi na
yung
po siya sakit,
katawan.
kalaban yung katawan. And then, as you can see, Mami Shaira just added it to her normal diet.
Mm.
And para sa Mami Aya, gaano ka-easy itong protocol na to?
Actually, yan nga yung